Now let's get our power up effect fading in and out. So back in the power up effect script, we'll use a message that other objects can send to the power up and that it can also send to itself to trigger fading in and fading out. So let's say when the level starts, we'll message the power up effect to tell it to fade in. So we'll go to events and we will grab send message to object. And we'll put that in when the level starts, and the message will be power up on. And the object we want to send the message to is actually myself. Okay, now we'll receive that message. From events, we want when I receive message, and that message was power up on. And when we receive it, we will fade in, and we'll make a function to fade in. So we'll go to functions, and grab do something, and call this fade in. And then from functions, we'll grab that fade in function and run that when I receive power up on. Now, how's fade in going to work? Well, it will increase the alpha or the transparency of this object by a little bit, and then it will tell itself to run that fade in function again. So it'll keep doing it over and over. So we will go to looks and grab set alpha of myself to 0. And let's go to operators and grab our plus block. We want this to be alpha plus 0.01. And then we'll go to looks and grab get alpha of myself. And then very quickly we want it to do fade in again. So we'll go to control flow, grab after, let's make this after 10 milliseconds. We will run that fade in function again. So when fade in starts running, it will run itself. Okay, and then we want to check, are we fully faded in yet or are we not? So we'll go to control flow, grab an if block, and if the alpha is less than 1, so it's not fully faded in yet, we want an equals block, change that to less than. If alpha is less than 1, 1 being fully visible, then we'll wait 10 milliseconds and run the fade in function again. So we'll go to control flow, grab after 10 milliseconds, fade in. Now finally we need to set the alpha to 0 so that it starts out faded out. So set alpha of myself to 0, we can do that when it's created. Then the level will start, power up will happen, power up on, we'll make it fade in, and then it will gradually fade in. Let's see. And that looks pretty cool. Next, we'll make it fade out.